equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Pro 4 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. Once it's off, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, just above the home button. Gently pull the suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the body of the device. This will allow you to insert the plastic spudger. Carefully slide the spudger into the gap and run it along the edge to release the clips holding the screen in place. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the screen. If you feel resistance, don't force it. Just adjust your angle and try again. Once the screen is loose, lift it gently from the bottom. Be cautious as there are still cables connected to the motherboard. You'll need to disconnect these cables before fully removing the screen. Locate the battery connector and gently lift it off the motherboard using your spudger. Now, with the screen removed, you can see the battery. It's secured with adhesive, so you may need to apply some heat using a heat gun or a hairdryer to soften the adhesive. Once it's warm, use the spudger to carefully pry the battery out. Be sure to handle it with care, as lithium batteries can be sensitive. After removing the old battery, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery in the same position as the old one and press it down firmly to ensure it adheres properly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it's secure. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, carefully place the screen back onto the device, ensuring all cables are tucked away and not pinched. Press down around the edges to snap the screen back into place. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the battery replacement, ensuring it's done correctly. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to check if everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. If you'd like a quote before repair, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you get your device back in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.